Good morning, guys. It's H2O. What's up, you guys? It's Soda's Forum. Right now, you guys, I am just gonna have poker beans and Winos today. Yeah, it's something different for lunch. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when I cook up the Winos and hot dogs.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Guys, I'm just heading to work, so I will talk to you guys when I am done work. Right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. We went to Hans Marshall's today, and we played some Dirty Marbles. I did really have the best luck of Dirty Marbles tonight. I kind of lost, but that's okay, you guys. There's always going to be winners and losers, you guys. Right now, before I go to bed, I'm going to try, I don't know what I'm going to have. You don't know, you guys are really here to help me decide what to have, you guys. Yeah, so talk to you guys when I decide it. Well, I have decided I'm going to have 2 bagels, which is going to be good, you guys. So I'm going to pop some bagel down and have some hot chocolate. Yes, we're going to have some hot chocolate. So I'll talk to you guys when we make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.